Hello and welcome back to my channel Breathing Gratitude. Folks, this is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach and Mentor. And today I want to speak to you on another unique topic, and it's called What to Write in Your Gratitude Journal. Now, a gratitude journal is a fantastic way to attract more energy, more positivity, and to receive more in your life. It's a fantastic habit to cultivate right at the onset. If you're not doing it, I urge you to start right here, right now. Okay, so I'll take you through as to what you need to write in a gratitude journal. And this again has come as a request from a friend. So thank you so much for that request. How do you start a gratitude journal? Uh, a journal is a journal. Okay, for example, when you go to a temple, do you go all decked up? Do you wear danglers? Do you wear a very bright shade where everybody needs to wear their Ray-Bans in the temple? Do you go gaudily dressed? Loud colors? No, you keep it simple, right? So if you keep it simple there, why can't you keep it simple in your gratitude journal? Focus on the gratitude journal benefits. Keep aside some time for writing and what you want to actually think about. See what prompts your inner voice. You've had an entire day that is gone. First thing in the morning when you wake up, you write your gratitude journal. Okay? Think of fresh topics. Think of the small things that have happened in your day. Okay? When you have normally in the post, the morning post on WhatsApp when I send, and I tell them, give 200 reasons for why you were feeling grateful yesterday. And you'll be surprised, people can't find 200 reasons. They get stuck at 20, some do 40, some cross 50, but they don't go beyond 50. My call to you is, are you not able to give 200 reasons for yesterday? Such a wonderful, beautiful day that you had. Okay. So, how do you want to start your day? You want to start your day with gratitude. Okay? The biggest miracle that happened is you woke up today, that you're still alive, that you're breathing. You have to thank the universe for your sound sleep and peace of mind. You have to thank the universe for helping you pay your bills throughout the month. Whether it's your society maintenance bill, whether it's your phone bill, whether it's your grocery bill, whether it's the miscellaneous expenditures you have, you've got to thank the universe for that. You've also got to thank the universe for keeping you safe, secure and protected during these times. You also have to thank the universe to keep you away from toxin people, situations and conversations. You also have to thank the universe for giving you a healthy body with all healed body organs. For example, your brain, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your ears, your throat, your normal heartbeat, your strong intestines, your pancreas, your liver, your kidneys, your strong spinal cord, your back, your shoulders, your hands, your feet, your spleen. You have to give gratitude for all these things. It may sound insignificant to you, but trust me, ask a person who's going through a kidney transplant how important it was to have his original kidneys with him. You need to give gratitude. Alright? Give gratitude for the cup of tea you had. Give gratitude for the Mari biscuit, the bourbon that you dipped in the tea and took a lovely bite. I love Jim Jam. So, I always dip my Jim Jam, but when I dip it, I say, thank you, universe, for this wonderful Jim Jam. I'm still used to it. So, I'm just giving you an example. Okay? Now, why you should keep a gratitude journal is very, very key. By keeping a gratitude journal, friends, you develop a practice that keeps you accountable and you develop appreciation and enjoy much more happier days. Now, translating thoughts into concrete language. whether it's oral or written, has its advantages over just thinking. The thoughts that you have, it makes you more aware. It brings you in the now moment. It brings you in the present moment, depending on the emotional impact you have. That's why I've always told you in my 3-in-1 clap program, I've got law of attraction, NLP, and mindfulness. But trust me, mindfulness is the most important module for me. If you don't have mindfulness, LOA and NLP will go out of the window. Because NLP is scientific. LOA is even more scientific. What is mindfulness? It's a behavioral pattern. And if that is not in order, how will science be in order for you? Give it a thought of what I just told you. Okay? I'll move on. I gave you enough examples of gratitude. You met an old friend after a long time and you'll exchange pleasantries. It was such a wonderful meeting. It changed your state of mind. Avoid watching channels which are depressing. Avoid WhatsApp University which circulates so much of depressing news on the C word. We all know what's happening. My friend, I don't need you as an extra journalist to journal depressing news. Okay? What you should write in your journal is something very different from what somebody else can write. It can be as simple, as silly, as stupid as you think it may be, but you're still giving gratitude. Your maid who came the other day and she helped you with the work and quickly went away, give gratitude for that. Had she not done that, you would have not got that element of rest for that period of time. Okay. So the reason why I'm saying this is because everything on this planet, my friend, everything, right from the breath you take, to the power you have, to the politicians you know, it only comes from the universe. If the universe just does this, I'll do that again, everything is gone. He just has to do it with the flick of his finger. Everything is gone. You are never bigger than the divinity. You are never bigger than that supreme power. Where he watches you from the above, you are only a speck of dust, a dot. That is what you are doing. And when you realize that everything that you have comes only from the Almighty Universe, you will be more grateful and you'll have loads of gratitude. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was beneficial in covering all the aspects that I wanted to on how you need to write your gratitude journal. If there are any queries that you have, do WhatsApp, call, SMS me on 9820413290 on the numbers below. Until then, my friends, stay safe, take care, stay indoors, and wear your mask and carry your sanitizers. God bless you. I love you too. Bye-bye.